What's up, everyone? Today we're talking about the Bissell one stick. See, this I think we definitely moves the whole season, and you can see this thing is pretty cool in my opinion. I do love the thing. It's definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion, and it still works exactly. But I don't know how long until the motor starts to give up on this thing exactly. But it's holding up pretty good. This is the model 2030 and it's released in 2020. Which means exactly what it looks like it's a 2 amp motor, which is definitely what it is exactly, but it's like you don't have expected to see. It's a 3-month stick that can budget. This handle comes off, and also the space comes off. Like put my knee into it, it walks back and forth a little bit, which it's definitely what it is exactly, but it's pretty cool. It does move back and forth a little bit. This thing was like I don't know, 6 pounds a little bit, which it's definitely what it is exactly on this machine, but it's pretty how much expected. This thing's been used almost quite a bit. I don't like to show a corner in it, and this thing falls over really easy. Like I do this, see how this thing likes to lean forward a little bit. If you put too much, this thing just fall way over, which it's definitely what it is exactly on this machine, but it's not how much we expected this machine exactly. I do back here you can see it's got the single switch right here on and off, which it's definitely what it is exactly, but you think about it or something like this because I do like this machine, and you can tell it looks pretty cool in my opinion, and this thing we could use the whole season.